Insulation silicone pad, main unit and suction cup for dismantling the frame. Separator front, temperature adjustment, switch. Separator side. Separator back, power socket, power switch. Connect the power cord to the back of the separator. Turn on the power switch. Off is displayed on the front digital display. Press and hold the setting button for 3 seconds to turn on the separator for heating. The number displayed on the digital display is the temperature in C. Short press the setting button. When the number is flashing, the temperature can be adjusted up and down. Maximum adjustable 130 degrees Celsius. Minimum adjustable 25 degrees Celsius. Long press the setting to turn off when the temperature is not needed. Vacuum start button. Press to start vacuum. Tilt left and right fixing screws. Can be tilted left and right after unscrewing. Tilt angle can be fixed. 360 angle rotation set screw. After loosening, the upper heating table can be rotated at 360 degrees. Rotation angle can be fixed. Insulation silicone pad can be used for screen separation. Need to align with the heating plate hole. Turn on the vacuum after placing the screen. Then separate the screen. Fixture iron module. Place the heating plate to hollow out the hole. Choose the hole position according to the size of the mobile phone. This hole is a movable hole. Can be clamped or loosened. After fixing the mobile phone, you can perform operations such as dismantling the frame. Iron module storage on the side. Remove the rubber pellets. Store iron modules here. The installation of the frame removal suction cup. Fixed on heating plate. Then install the movable iron module. Fix the mobile phone that needs to be unframed. Move the suction cup to the edge of the phone and suck the cup tightly. Disassemble the screen with tension screws and alcohol. Control the use of tension screws according to the actual situation of screen removal. This video instruction is for reference only.